Hey guys, in this video, we'll go over how to cancel your Displate Club subscription. Okay, so once you're logged in, you see I'm currently logged in. So hover over your profile icon, and all you want to do is come here and click on this option right here at the bottom, the second last option that says account settings. Go ahead and click on that, and it will redirect you to this page right here where you'll see all your settings. Okay? Now, all you need to do is come here on the last option. Okay, you'll see Display Club. All you need to do is click on that, and you'll see your Display Club membership subscription. And here at the right, you'll see the option to cancel your membership. All you need to do is go ahead and click on that option, and then you will be able to confirm that you want to cancel your membership, and you'll get a confirmation on your email as well. It's really that easy and simple.